everybody, and welcome to Thriving with Tyler. Today is Tuesday, and we have we're making our own tie-dye today, which will be super fun and exciting. Tie-dye kits are like running out all over the place. So unless you already have it, good luck trying to find it. So don't worry, we're going to do our own homemade ones using food coloring, water, and vinegar, white vinegar to be specific, right there. So make sure you guys have your t-shirts, your white t-shirts,
rubber bands,
and some rubber bands, and food coloring. First, let me go over some resources. OCO has a hotline for anybody who need a basic needs, food resources, shelter resources, and hygiene packs. If you ever need that, please feel free to call the hotline at 1-877-342-7618, or go to oco.org and follow the navigational system there. And let's get started. So to start with tie-dye, like I said, you need your t-shirts, and then for this, you're going to be doing 1 part water and 1 part vinegar to make your concoction, and then you're going to add honestly a lot of food coloring. You're probably going to add 10 to 15 drops, if not more. So be prepared for that. Make sure you have clothes that can get tie-dyed and stained. I've got, an old t-shirt on, the girls are all set. And rubber gloves. You don't want your hands to get stained and things. And then once you are done with your tie-dye, you're going to want to put them in plastic bags. So to start out with, you want to get your t-shirts wet. So that way you don't have to put them through the washer or anything, just running them under the sink and getting them damp and soaked.
Do we take this sticker off?
Yep, take the stickers off. And then we'll be going outside to teach you how to do patterns. We'll be doing 2 patterns. We'll be doing a nebula type of pattern and a spiral pattern is what we're going to teach you guys how to do today. And we'll let you know how our food coloring, water, and vinegar solution turns out, all right? We'll see you guys outside. Bye! All right, so who's doing spiral with me? Me and Jenny are doing spiral, and then you 2 are doing nebulas, right? So, to go with a spiral, if you want to come up, all you do is pinch it from wherever you want your spiral to start. So I'm going to start mine right up here in the corner. And all you're doing is grabbing and twisting your shirt. Make sure you don't grab the tablecloth underneath. And twirling it until it's in a ball. And then you take your rubber bands. And I'll help you with that one. And you're going to divide it depending on how many colors you want in there. I'm going to do 3 colors. So I'm going to make it so that way there's 6 pie pieces, because I measure by pie. Okay, so that way it looks kind of like that. And then for the nebula, what you're doing is taking your shirt and kind of balling it up in little places, getting it all kind of wrinkled, and then you just kind of form it together, and then you put as many rubber bands as you want on it, so it kind of looks like a hot mess, which is my life. All right, and we'll show you guys what it looks like in a minute. So with this, we've got regular tie-dye, and then we've got our solution stuff right over here.
Okay. So, take it.
Yep, so you're gonna wanna take this and fill across from each other, okay? Yep, so you wanna do this. These, we wanna be careful, because we got ours in baggies, because we didn't have extra stuff going on. So where do you want the yellow? Right there. So look, we just kind of trimmed a little hole in the baggie itself.
Remember, they have to go together. Like tight spirals. Not like that. Like this. I haven't did.
So we are all done. Here's what our products look like right now. We will show you guys later what it looks like once it's all done and dried and washed and things. Let us know if you guys do this and how it turns out for you guys. Remember, 1 part water, 1 part vinegar, and then just a whole bunch of drops. Like we just literally took the food coloring and just went.
That looks like yeah, this is my other.
That's your other side.
Pink.
I will post different patterns. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with us, and we'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.